Long before humanity began worrying about a nuclear apocalypse, it all started with a scientist who simply enjoyed heating rocks. In 1789, German chemist Martin Heinrich Klaproth took a piece of black mineral, heated it, dissolved it, filtered it, and said, "Looks like a new element?" He named it uranium because the planet Uranus had just been discovered. By the way, plutonium was named using the same "I saw a planet, I like it" method. Uranium, the most boring, dangerous metal. Klaproth had no idea he had discovered a radioactive element. Back then, uranium didn't do anything. It didn't glow. It didn't heat up. It didn't threaten humanity. So, before the nuclear era, people used it creatively. To confuse future generations, people genuinely found stylish ways to use uranium. Uranium glass, ceramic glazes, photographic chemicals, metal alloys, added for aesthetic reasons, honestly. TikTok didn't exist yet, so scientists entertained themselves by throwing neutrons at things. That's how, in 1934, Enrico Fermi bombarded uranium with neutrons, hoping to create a heavier element. His logic was simple. Add a neutron. Mass increases. New element. He noticed something odd. The mass didn't increase, wrote it down, shrugged, and moved on to the next mineral. The real discovery of fission happened later. In 1938 to 1939, Meitner, Hahn, and Frisch figured out what was really going on. Uranium wasn't getting heavier, it was splitting in half, unleashing a huge amount of energy and extra neutrons. So Fermi's casual attempt to make a new element accidentally led to a discovery that changed global energy, created nuclear weapons, and launched endless internet arguments. 235 uranium is an unstable guy. If a neutron hits the nucleus, it splits into two pieces, releases heat, and throws out more neutrons. A chain reaction begins, very beautiful, if you're watching from a safe distance. For example, from orbit. The difference between a reactor and a bomb is one word: control. A nuclear power plant uses control rods that absorb neutrons, preventing them from slamming into every uranium atom they see. This slows the reaction so much that it's basically tamed. A reactor is the most expensive kettle in history. The energy from fission heats water. Water turns into steam, pressure rises, the steam spins a turbine. The turbine produces electricity. If you want it short, we use the power of the atom to boil water and then charge our phones. And then there's the waste. Over time, nuclear waste accumulates. Used fuel is hot, toxic, and radioactive. But humans found a solution. Just bury it, and leave the problem to future generations. Nuclear energy is basically a side effect of curiosity. A giant technological system that began with the question, what happens if I heat this thing?